I'm going to show you something super cool about this camera. It comes with this attachment, right? And all you've got to do is slide it on the back like this, right? If I can get it on. It takes a little snapping. And then this goes on your window, right? And then you've got a dash cam. I'm going to show you guys how this works, and we're going to get a little bit of footage from this so you can see how beautiful and clear it is. I'm in the car, so I'm just sliding this in, and if I push hard, it snaps. Now this, I think you put it right on your window like that, right? And then this would be down here like that. And then you got to tighten this, I do believe, like this. That's it, right, like that. And then this you pull back, and then I just smush it on there. Of course, I got to turn it on, so it's a long press. So I'm going to put this right here, I think. And then I just got to pop this, and that's on there. Now, for me to turn this on, so we're on there. We've tightened all these down. And I think it's a long press here. Or, no, I should just be able to hit it and it records. So now we're recording. So let's go ahead and we're going to Publix. And I'm just going to drive with this and go to Publix and see what happens. Okay, we're driving. I've got it set up there. And yeah, it's working great. That's pretty cool, huh? So yeah, you guys can use this as a car dashboard camera. Can you believe it? I mean, why not? It's so much easier than the other ones that you have to plug in. So I think it's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Notice when you turn, it does swing a little bit, which is kind of cool. It gives that little sway, and then it usually comes back and rights itself. So you get that little angle on it, which is cool. So we're going through Publix's parking lot right now. I'm gonna park over, I think over here because it's cooler. Oh no, I'll park this way. That way you guys can see what's going on. Yeah, right, we're safely back in our homestead, and then we're done. And all we gotta do to stop it is press here. Turns off, then we pop this, and then we pull this little tab right here, and it just comes off. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Yeah, rock and roll, baby. You've got your, not only a body camera, but a dash camera. Yes.